Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. So, today just I am going to take your class, and that is what is the democracy and why democracy. So, this is very important when just we are, from class 6 just we are going through this, what is democracy, whether it is better or not. So, likewise today this is the chapter, and from the very beginning just we are come to know about something, what is democracy, what is government, why it should be, why it should not be, which is better, which is not. So, today again just we will discuss in broader sense, broader way. Okay. So, just the simple definition just we will discuss regarding what is democracy, why should we accept this one, and why more than 50% country there in the world are with this democracy. Because in simple language just we can say democracy is for the people, of the people, and by the people. So, what does it mean? The rulers are elected in this democracy, and who those are electing? We are electing them. No others are electing them. Nobody just is appointing them. So, all the leaders, who those are taking the decisions, who those are making the rules and laws, who those go to this parliament and this Vidhan Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, where just we are sending them by selecting, electing. So, they are making the rules for us. So, this simple definition, democracy is for the people, of the people, and by the people. We, the people of this country, we, the citizens of the country, are ruling ourselves. So, this is very simple, we can say. No one is just ruling on us. Who those are ruling? We are the rulers ourselves. How it is? How just you can say just I should rule, you should rule? So, there is a way, there is a process, and that process just we are calling the election. That is the process. That is why just I have one way, just I have written one person, one vote. Why this is? Because some importance is or are of the citizen of the people. What is the value? What is our value? Our value for the sense of voting is or are one. Each and every one just we are casting the vote, and the value of that vote is 1. It means how many voters are coming to vote for the leaders. It means just that is counted, and if just any voter has given, it means you are being counted, 1 vote you have got. So, 1 vote, 1 person, 1 vote, this is there in our country. And before this, there are the features of this democracy. What are the features of this democracy? So, first there are merits and demerits of the future, this democracy, and everywhere. And just among us, among you, there are some merits, some demerits. In some subjects you might be very well, some in some not. In you are just doing better and better. Someone is not able to do better in that. So, this is your merits, but who those are not, who those are not capable to do that one properly. So, just it can be said. So, merits and demerits both are with us. So, this what is the first features of this? Features means this democracy, this feature is we are electing our representative ourselves. We are electing our representative ourselves. Then how it happens? It happens through this election. It happens through this election. So, you know this election each and everywhere. You might have been hearing regarding this election. There are or is all the times some type of elections there in the country. Somewhere there is the election of this MPs, somewhere there is the election of this MLAs, somewhere there is the election of this Rajya Sabha members, somewhere there is the election of this Panchayat Raj election. So, there are Panchayati Raj elections. So, all the times we are watching there throughout the country, the elections are taking place. Somewhere there is the election of this Panchayati Raj, Panchayat, somewhere there is the election of this corporation and municipalities. Sometimes you will see the election of these Rajya Sabha members, sometimes just you will see the election of these Lok Sabha members, and these elections of these MPs of this Lok Sabha are taking place after 5 years. And the features, next feature just we can say, these features of this democracy is the suggestion and arguments, suggestions and arguments, what should be, how it should be, who should look after this, who should not, who those are capable, who those are not. So, just it is depending on the consultation, and we are taking decision because this democracy believes in majority. Democracy believes in majority. You know that always just we are taking the vote system, just there is the vote everywhere there in the country, and who those, which party comes there in majority, it means which is coming majority by 2/3, that party is making the or forming the government there, if that is the state or maybe the center. So, why this is? Why this election is required, and this representatives, why we are electing the MPs? For what they are there? You know, we know that Parliament or this Vidhan Sabha, there are system of this making the rules and laws. They are the system of making rules and laws. Rules and laws. We know that according to the time, rules and laws are required all the times updated. If some rules and laws are old, that is outdated, then what happens? There is the new laws needed for the country. Then what we are doing? We are making the new rules and laws. And where it is being made? This is again being made there in the House, Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, or for state in this this state level, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. See, the features I was discussing, now it increase the dignity of the citizens, because we know citizens are very much important for that. We all citizens who those are 18 and above are entitled to cast the vote, and for that, with that system of this voting, with the system of this voting, we are electing our representatives, and that representatives are taking the decision for us, for making the rules, or if any rules are not suitable, that is also they are discarding there in the house, and new laws are being made, that is called the amendment, that is called the amendment. What does it mean? इसमें सुधार करना, to make this rectification there in the rules and law. So, these are the features of this democracy. If any law is or not, rule is not applicable right now, it can be removed and new law can be made, that is called the amendment. Oh, this is coming under the features of the democracy. Okay. Now, just will come main features of this democracy is the correctness. The main features of this democracy is correctness. What does it mean? It is the habit of the man to make mistake. It is the habit of the man to make mistake. Anyone can make mistake, but if you are ready to realize your mistakes and if it can be correct, then this is the feature of the democracy. This does not happen there in any other systems. Suppose if any king is there, queen is there, or any dictator is there, you go and ask, you go and request, this is wrong, that is right, he or she is not ready to listen you. But here in our democracy, this correctness is the feature of this democracy. What mistakes are there, we can make ourselves the mistake, it should be corrected. So, this is the special or the features of this democracy. So, we should keep this one in our mind. When just we are talking about this democratic form of government, there should be or there is the provision of this correctness, and we should always be ready to realize our mistakes and it should be corrected. And I have explained you also this one vote, one person. In some countries, now it is almost the country in the world have given same type of this value of this voting, which is or are in our country, any one person, one vote. Maybe you are very qualified, maybe you very much rich, maybe you very prestigious people, you have very big name and fame there in the area, but when just you are going to cast a vote, your value will be only one. I am the poor, I am illiterate. This is the country where in our country no value of this literate and illiterate, educated or rich and poor, you have the separate and I am just getting the half of that. No, all either literate, illiterate, rich, poor, old, if you are more than 18 years of age, you have all the right to cast the vote. If you are 18 years and above, you are supposed to get your registration with this election commission. When you are achieving the age of 18, just you can approach very near to your this office of this election commission, you appraise there and you just put your identity there. This especially the identity of age proof, and when just you will go there to the selection commission, you will show your identity, your name, address, age, and certainly you will get the chance. They will make the ID card for you. They will make the ID card for you, identification. So, that will be the voter's ID card. That will be the voter's ID card. You know who those are, 18 and above, there in the country, they all have the right to vote. So, this one person and one vote, and but value of the everyone have the same, and that is 1. That is 1. So, it should be kept in our mind. Okay, now this is argument against and argument in favor of democracy. See, this is the nature of the human. This is the nature of the human. What you are doing, what we are doing, you may or may not like me. I understand democracy is the best form of government, but it is being said democracy is the best form of government there in the world. Why this is? Because as I told you earlier, we are taking care for all. We are taking care for all. We are giving the same status to all. As I told you, if just you are casting the vote, your value will be 1. Value of your vote is 1. So, either as I told you, there will be no any differences between the value of the vote. So, this argument against for the democracy, there just now we will discuss something here with this. Now, against this means what? You know, democracy, we know this democracy is the best form of government. You know, there is a definition. Many men are there who those have given the deep definition of that. Democracy is for the people, of the people, and by the people. Democracy is the best form of government, but no, someone is or are there, who they are, who are there against you. They can say, they can tell the against of this argument against for democracy. They don't like it. Why? So, there are some reasons. First, I will say you, and you also know, when there is the decision taken by the many people, certainly it will take time. What is there? What is the process? If you want to make any rule and law, you are aware that if you want to make any law, you cannot say, I am telling this is law. No, that cannot be. Then what is the process? You are supposed to raise this one in the parliament. You are supposed to raise this one in the Vidhan Sabha and this Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Then there is the MP MLAs who those are raising this issue. Then there is or just head who those are, just we can say the speaker there in the Delhi and this Lok Sabha, they will give you, they will set the time for you. They will set the time for you to just again for this election, setting of the election. So, argument against the democracy, I will discuss again.